The BSMS web app is a management and reporting platform for the BSMS mobile application. It provides tools to edit report, view maps, and generate various types of reports. This can be used using any browser from website bsm.softavi.com. The dashboard provides a snapshot of the entire data in the system. It provides total bridge visit till date, bridge visit this week, event reported till date, weekly technical, OHS, social and environmental observations, line chart and bar graph representation of daily visit. And finally day-to-day record of bridge visit. You need an account to log into the system. If you don't have an account, then click on Register and fill up the form. Enter your first name, last name, mobile number, email address, designation, and the organization. If your organization is Department of Roads, then if available, you need to enter your PID number. Then select Office from the drop-down. Select Division Office. Enter password. Confirm password. And press Request for account. Your request need to be approved by the admin to be fully operational. If you already have an account, just click on Login and enter your username, which is your email ID, and password, and click Login. When successfully logged in, you will be redirected to the dashboard, which is same as before. But a button has been activated in day-to-day site visit table. Clicking it will take you to the bridge visit page that lists the bridge site visit of that date. Click on the Visits menu in the side panel. It will take you to Bridge Visit page. You can see 3 tabs on the top. All Visits, My Visits, Request for Approval for Me. The All Visits tab lists all the site visits done by all user till date. You can filter the list by selecting the From and To Date. It will list the site visit done between those particular date. You can also search by entering the keyword that will update the table accordingly. You can search by bridge code, by bridge name, by road name, by district, and by observer name. The links above the table are currently disabled, but when you check the checkbox, it will enable the buttons. On clicking Detail Report View, the side report appears on the right side of the screen. It shows the detailed report of the site visit. You can also expand the report view to full screen by clicking the Expand button on the left. Now you can see the report in a full screen mode. You can also print the report by clicking the Print button on the top right corner. Now let's move on to the next button, which is Export. There are 3 formats in which the site visits can be exported. In Excel format, in PDF format, and in doc format. You can also forward the report to other users. Click on Forward Link, then a pop-up screen will appear before you. Select the users you want to forward the report. You can also search the users in the search box. When Send button is clicked, an email with report attached will be sent to the selected users. Next is Reset button. It will clear all the checked boxes. And the Clear button clears the date field. Let's move on to My Visits tab. This will enlist all the bridge site visits based on the account. The buttons are disabled as before, and when checked they are enabled. Detail Reports view shows the detailed report as before. Export is also same as before. Forward is also same as before. We can see Send for Approval button is added. This button is used to send the report to the selected user for approval on your behalf. Select the user from drop-down list and click the Send button. This will send the report to be approved by the assigned user. Only the approval pending reports are allowed to be sent for approval. Finalized reports are not allowed. In My Visit tab, you can see a button at the end of the list. This allows you to edit some part of your report, such as description notes, photo captions, video captions before finalizing the report. This option is available only if your report is not finalized. Once finalized, you are not allowed to edit anymore. Finalize this report button finalizes the report, but before it asks for your approval, as it will not be editable afterward. The report is finalized when confirmed. As you can see, the report status has been changed from pending to finalized, and the Edit button has been disabled. That means you can no longer edit this report anymore. Now let's click on the Request for Approval for Me tab. This enlists the bridge observations that are sent for approval by other user to you. This one is already finalized, so nothing more to do. Though you can view the report, export it, or forward to other user like before. Next menu is Events. This will take you to the Bridge Event page. This enlists the events that happened near bridges, such as landslide, flood, earthquake damages, accidents, etc. You can view the reports by checking the list as before. Export option is also available for the events. At the end of the list, there is a column called Mark as Urgent. It shows the urgency of the event to be tackled. Events Marked Urgent tab shows the bridge events that are marked urgent and are in critical state, which requires immediate attention. Events Not Urgent tab shows the events that are not urgent but need to be considered. Next menu is Maps. This shows the OpenStreetMap of Nepal. You can clip the map province-wise, district-wise, and division-wise. Just select the province, then press Clip. Similar can be done for district and division. Various background base map can be overlaid and layers can be enabled to visualize the required layers. You can toggle the layers according to your requirement. Similarly, Road Networks layer can also be toggled by enabling the layers. Same goes for the bridge as well. LRN bridges, SRN bridges can be viewed on the map with single click. On clicking the Bridge Observation option, the bridges and the observations in each of the bridges can be viewed in the map. Each of the bridge can be identified and details are obtained by clicking on the pin. The observations are clustered to a single point. Clicking the cluster will display only single observation detail. Zoom the map allows more precise location of the observation and view the details by clicking the refined location. A simple printing facility is also provided. Click the Print tool in the right side of the map. You can export required view in specified scale to PDF, PNG, and JPEG formats. Next menu on the list is Reports. You can see Visit Report tab, Monthly Report tab, and Consolidated Report tab. Visit Report tab can be used to fine-tune the selection of data to be displayed. You can filter on the basis of districts. Select the district and click Get Report. Clear to reset the filter. Filter can also be applied on the basis of date. Select from and to date to enlist the observation between those dates. You can also filter by bridges. Select the bridge and click Get Report. Observation type and ratings filter can be applied in the similar way. Monthly Report tab allows you to filter the report by year, month, and bridge code. Year and month options are mandatory, whereas bridge code is optional. Click Get Report to display summarized report of all observation in that month. You may also select a particular bridge for which the report is to be shown. Press Export to PDF button to download a PDF version of the report. The Consolidate Report tab is currently under maintenance. So let's move to next menu. My Profile. My Profile menu shows the profile detail of the account user. You can replace or remove profile picture. Click on Edit Photo, then choose Photo and click Upload. This will replace your current profile picture. Click on Remove Photo to remove the profile picture. It will ask for your confirmation. You can also update your user details in this page. Change first name, last name, mobile number, email address if needed, and press Save. Similarly, you can change organizational details. Click on Save after changing. You can also set a new password using the details on the Password Information section. Next we have Feedback section. This tool provides user to report bugs and issues in the system. It can be filtered on the basis of duration. The list shows the details of reporter, the date on which they have reported, the severity of that issue, and description. The status shows the action status that has been taken since the issue has been reported. Only admin user are allowed to act on the issue. Any user can report an issue or feedback. Click Report Issue/Feedback button on top to file a report. A form will appear before you. Fill the form with severity of the issue, title or summary, issue or feedback or suggestion description. Upload supporting documents if required. Then press Submit. Your report will be listed here and the admin will work upon it. Pressing the Logout button will sign you out of the system. If you still have any confusion regarding the system, we have provided the manual which can be downloaded from here. Go through the manual and see the detailed step-by-step guidance of the system. BSM app is available in App Store for iOS users and in Play Store for Android users. And lastly, in case you forgot your password to the account, you can reset your password from here. Click Forgot Password, then type the email you used to log in and press Continue. A 4-digit OTP is sent to your email. Type it here and press Continue. Then you are asked to enter your new password. Hope you have learned how to use Bridge Site Monitoring System. Thank you.